G'day guys, we're back here on our Wynnum project. So it's been a little while since we've given you an update on this one, and look, to be honest, this job's not really going as we'd like it. So we've had a lot of wet weather on this job, which has really held things up. We actually had all of our external slabs prepped and ready to pour our exposed concrete. We wanted to do that so it gave us a clean site, because this site's just been an absolute mess. And we got it all prepped, got it signed off by the engineer, and the next day it absolutely poured down. We ended up having about 3 weeks of rain, and we've only just in the last few days been able to get back in. We actually had to pull it all out, had a lot of silt, a lot of mud run down from up on the hill and just ruined it all. So we had to pull it all back out again, clean all the mud out, lay new plastic and relay all the mesh. So that was a bit of a mission, but the guys are doing a really good job here. It's a tight site, we've got a lot of gear on this site. We got an old roof from the old patio that's possibly going to go over the new carport. We got a lot of scaffolding stored on site. We got the old solar system. There's a water tank out the front that the client's trying to sell. There's just a lot going on here. So with all the weather we've had and the delays and just the amount of gear on site, it's a lot messier than I'd like to see it, but the boys are doing a good job and doing the best they can in the situation. So I've just finished one of my site meetings with the team. We've gone through, we've done a review of all the framing, because they're starting to install the windows and we're getting ready to start the cladding next week. So we've gone through, we reviewed all the frame. There's a few little things that I want added in the tie down. This one's already had a frame inspection, but on DPS Construction's jobs, we go above and beyond, and I have a few little things that I like to do just that I believe makes a difference long term to the home. So gone around and I've asked the boys to put a few little bolts in here and there, a couple more batten screws, and just really finish the frame off nice, spick and span, and that way we know it's going to last. So yeah, got the windows in, roofers have been on site, so that's been another big issue on this project. So roofers have been delayed for weeks. Every time they wanted to start, it was raining, and then obviously the other jobs got delayed. So what should have been a couple of weeks delay because of the rain has ended up turning into sort of a 4 or 5 week sort of delay. And then we had a few little issues joining in the new timber fascia on the extension to the old timber fascia. The old fascia, when we stripped all the soffites out and pulled the old roof off, there was a bit of discrepancy in the height. So we've now had to install an overflashing around the entire house, which was unexpected, but it's going to make sure that the job, when it's not a variation to the client, we're doing it off our own bat because it needs to be done, and that's what will make the house suit the building code, or the current building code. So lots going on in this job. It's hectic in our industry at the moment. There's a lot of uncertainty, there's a lot of things going on, a lot of weather, and the whole team's just doing the absolute best job they can. Massive shout out to all of our contractors. Everyone's jumping in. They might not be turning up exactly when we need them, but they're all doing their absolute best to make sure that every single one of our projects keeps cranking along and we're delivering good products for our clients. So yeah, big shout out to everyone in the team and the current client. So stay tuned, we'll keep you updated on this one. Fingers crossed, we'll get our concreting done next week and we'll start on our cladding, and this one will start to look like a new home again.